Silkscreening is one of the oldest forms of printing and still remains just as popular. For factory type production, the 4 and 6 stage press from am.co.za is absolutely awesome. But for startup companies that want to do low volumes and new projects, the single stage self-tensioning frames from am.co.za are a must to consider. The sizes that these frames come in is our 300 by 400 with all of its accessories, and we also have our 400 by 500 with all of its accessories as well. Now that we've had a look at both of these frames, let's talk more about the accessories that come along with both of these items. First, we're going to start off with our squeegee. With your squeegee that you're going to use to start off with, you do get better ones, but this one is a very good one to start off with this frame. You want to try and not do your artwork bigger than the actual squeegee, because you don't want to squeegee half of your artwork and then another half. You want to do it in one solid motion. Moving on from that, you get 8 of these rubbers which will be sitting inside your frame, which help stretch out your actual screen when you get to putting it together. This also comes with an easy to use guide on how to put it together, as well as attach it to your actual silkscreen press. And it also comes with other information on our dual curing lamp, which is also available from AM. The next item that you get in here is your actual screen, and you get pretty much enough to do a couple of screens, and you can reuse this, rewash it if you have the correct chemical, which is also sold by AM as well, which is nice. The next thing in this box is your actual tools needed to open and close your self-tensioning frame. You get your double-sided tape, which it gives you a little bit just to start with. You get 2 spanners, extra screws just in case that you thread these ones out. You get an Allen key, as well as you actually get a drill bit attachment for your Allen key heads, so that you don't have to do it by hand. You could use a drilling machine, which is very convenient in this kit. And that is it. To find out more about our single stage self-tensioning frames, such as our 30 by 40, our 40 by 50, all you got to do is call sales at 060 600 6000.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.